Hello everyone. In the last video, we learned that what are decimal fractions. Now, if you struggle with decimals and you don't know what are decimal numbers, then watch this video. Now, we have also come across a lot of times we see numbers like 3.9, 5.743, which has this point in between. So what do we actually mean by that? For example, let's take the number 5.3. 5 over here and then there's a point in between and then 3. So what does this point represent? This point represents the decimal point. It is called as the decimal point. Then we have the number before the decimal. Over here, that number is 5. The number 5 is called as the whole number part. Next, what about the number 3? The number 3 is the fractional part. The fractional part that we have already learned in the last video. So together, we have 3 parts over here in this number. One is called the whole number part. The other one is the decimal point, and then we have the fractional part. Now, let us visualize these numbers. 5.3, that what do they mean? So the number 5.3, here the fractional part 3 basically means that it is at the tens position, the tens place value. That is the place value of decimal numbers, the numbers after the decimal point. In the next video, we will learn about these place value chart of decimal numbers. Now, again, let's recall what does the fractional part mean. So over here, the number 3, which is the fractional part, means that if out of 10 parts, 3 represents that we color the 3 parts. So we use the 3 parts and the remaining 7 parts are not there. So basically the fractional part means that it is 3 over 10. The fraction is 3 over 10. 3 colored parts over the 10. Number 10, which is the total number of parts. So what does the number 5.3 visually represents? It represents that there are 5 whole parts. 5 is the whole number. So it has 5 whole parts and 3 as the fractional part, which is 3 tenths. So this is what the decimal number represents.